Hello everyone, I welcome you all to ATM Creations. Let's begin with a beautiful dot mandala with all these circles and grids and designs that I drew. I'll keep center dot in gold. I'll keep dots in bamboo green. I'll keep tiny dots now. I'll keep dots in greenery. I'll keep tiny dots now. I'll keep some dots in light green. I'll keep tiny dots. I'll keep some dots in another light green. I'll keep tiny dots in green. Some golden dots now. I'll keep some dots in pastel coral red. I'll walk the dots in coral red. I'll keep dots in coral red. I'll walk the dots now. I'll keep dots in crimson. I'll walk the dots. I'll keep some brush strokes in pastel coral red. I'll keep brush strokes in coral red. I'll keep crimson dots in drop shape. I'll keep golden dots. I'll keep brush strokes in bamboo green. Now brush strokes in greenery. Now brush strokes in light green. Now brush strokes in pastel coral red. Some brush strokes in coral red now. I'll keep brush strokes in crimson. I'll keep light green dots in floral shape. I'll keep some dots in coral red. I'll keep golden dots. I'll keep some golden dots. I'll keep some light green dots. This mandala came out really well, much more than what I actually expected. Thank you all for watching.